Picture this. An old bird sits high on a banyan tree, watching forest floor. He sees shiny seeds scattered all over. This elder has seen countless seasons and learned life's hardest lessons. When younger birds gather excitedly around the tempting feast below, the old bird calls out urgently, "Stop! Those seeds hide a hunter's trap. I've seen this before." But youth often mistakes wisdom for fear, and the younger birds laugh dismissively. "You're just old and scared," they chirp. "We're clever enough to avoid any trap." Ignoring the elder's desperate warnings, they swoop down eagerly. Moments later, a net snaps shut. They're all trapped. This story teaches us that experience is life's greatest teacher. In our culture, respecting elders isn't just custom, it's wisdom. Sometimes the greatest courage is simply listening. Like and subscribe Smartoon Universe for more videos.